YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working also on my friend's Highlander. We're doing the turn signals. Let me show you. So we're replacing these guys with LEDs, so hopefully they don't blink fast. So we're gonna go start it and see what happens. This is the LED that I bought. This is the company that's actually, they sent it to me, so I'm gonna install it and see what it looks like. This is what they are, and I'll put anything in the description. There'll be a discount code as well for you guys if you need to order it from me, and you can use the link down below. And they sell any and everything LED for your car, so look them up and see what you can find. Okay, let's go to work. All right guys, for the lights, to take out the lights, this is really all the tool that you will need. Two different pry tool, a little ratchet, number 10, a smaller one and a longest one. Most likely I'm gonna be using the longest one, but that's really up to you. So I got both, so I have both of them anyway. All right, let's go to work. All right guys, to take out this light, there's a little cover here. I think there's like two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. We'll take these two out and then the lights slide out this way. So let me get my tools and we can go to work on it. All right guys, slide in a little panel removal tool and this should pop off. There you go. There's like two bolts here, two 10 millimeters. Let me grab my tools. Okay, so to take out the light, you just slide it and she comes out, and the turn signal is right here. Twist it, take out the bulb. Just gonna put something over here so it doesn't scratch the car. All right, here's the new LED. That should be bright as hell. Alright, let's test it before we put it on. Okay, so if it doesn't work at first, all you have to do, take the light out, flip it 180 degree and put it on. Wow. Excuse me, but these are stupid bright. Wow. There's no way they can't see when we're turning today. I'm very impressed actually. Wow. All right, let's put the light back on and go to the next side.
Yo, what a difference.
Right.
Oh my gosh,
they are so bright.
You can't look at it straight.
No, I couldn't. It was like hurting my eyes.
Jeez Louise, he wasn't kidding.
All right, you put the bulb back. Let me take this out. Put the bulb back into the hole, twist it. Actually, before I put this back, just want to clean it up a little bit here. All right guys, she's ready. So to put the light back on, there's like a, let me show you. It's a little tab right here, and little tab slides right. Oh, you see, there you go. Little tab slide right into this hole here. So line it up into this. Okay. It should slide up really easy once you. That's it. Now you put the bolts on. Doesn't need to be too tight, just snug so the light doesn't come out. Okay, test this one. So here it is. Let's do one more test with the light on. Wow, those LED bulbs are amazing. They are super bright. You guys should seriously look into this company. Those are amazing. Okay, this is done. Let's go to the next side. All right, guys, don't forget to put the cover back. It just snapped right back into place. There you go. Let's do this side now. So pop this off with the trim removal tool.
Oh yeah, not either.
And there's 2 screws right here. Then your hand right here, slide it out. There we go. She's out. So take out the light, same thing. It's the bottom one. And twist it. And then take the bulb out. Get the new bulb. Put it on. Then put it something on the rack here so it doesn't scratch your car.
You see?
Okay, now let's test it. It's right there. Alright, so if it doesn't work at first, just take it out, turn it around, put it back in, and there you go. I'm telling you guys, camera doesn't do justice how bright these LEDs are. They are really bright and they look amazing too. Look like high quality LEDs. It's like they're like metal. They're really well done. Anyway, let's put the light back on. Put the bulb back in here. Twist it to lock it. Let's clean up a little here. Alright guys, so let's put the light back on, line it up with this right here, and then slowly slide it on. It should snap into place. There we go. Put the 2 screws back. Okay, not too tight, just snug. Then you put the cover back on. She's done. Let's do one more test with the light back on so I can show you guys what it looks like. Those are extremely bright. Maybe I'll get another video at night so you see what it looks like, but during the day you cannot mistake those. Alright, they're done. This is the company where I got the LED from. They sent them to me to test out. So far I'm very impressed. I'll see what it looks like at night. This is all done. It's a nice, easy mod, so we'll call this one a done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.